everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you're not, you should. IBOC is next weekend and I have no fluids in the car and I don't have a tune on the car yet. I haven't even put the new tires on the car yet. But if you're watching this right now, I want you to know that it's okay, because no matter where I go in life and no matter where you go in life, I will always keep that thing on me. You know what I mean? Like, it's just something that I gotta do. You know what I mean? Like, the way that whole buzz. Now, for today's video, I have no idea what's gonna happen in today's video. This is gonna be a vlog video, you know what I mean? I have no idea what I'm gonna title this video, but I know whatever I do, no one's gonna click on it. And that's the good thing about it, because the ones who are gonna click on it get a special gift card to the merch store where you can pick up some merch for 0% off. Now I'm on my way to Fred's house, nah I mean? I'm finna go to the homie Fred house. This how they talk from Miami, bitch. I'm from Dade County, bitch. I sleep one of y'all.
Gotta keep it going, baby, don't stop.
Thanking the Lord for the blessings, I just let them make all the dressing up formal.
That slap, nigga. That orange shining, boy. One day I'll have some nice wheels like Mr. Freddie, bro. This right here is so tough, dog. Sheesh. Sheesh. Bruh. Oh my God, dog. Sheesh. God damn, that look good, man. Out here shooting some cinematics for the homie Fred by. I killed it too. Watch his video where you'll see the cinematics what I shot and stuff, and probably most likely edited. So yeah, check that out. But man, these Regas go so hard, dog. Man, I need Regas in my life. Fred really is living the life. Like, if y'all, bro, this man has a K20 on boost, full race, full turbo kit, precision turbo, Rega Masters, right hand drive. Fred, you living the life, dog. You are what every black man dream in the JDN world should be, dog. You are inspiration. You are a huge inspiration, dog. I'm telling you, bruh. Fred should inspire all of you guys, dog. If y'all know Fred's life story, this man, it's crazy, bro. It's inspiring to see the homie, dog. Look at this. Patience, dedication. That's what they get you, bro. That's what they get you. Doing some test fittings. God damn, we need like by 9. Oh my God. Fuck, bruh. Yeah. That ain't it at all, Chief. Sheesh. Nah, I don't need by 9. I need spacers. Bro, that is ridiculous, dog.
You roll the fenders? You pull the fenders or something?
That's how they are.
Damn, bro. guys.
It's gonna go when you lower it, but like it's gonna be too low.
I'm gonna move back, bro. Send it.
All right, let's send it. Wide wheels are really a go though, but it's way too small. That's way too small, dog.
White wheels look good on there though, bro.
Yeah, white on. So I convinced Fred to let me test fit the Regas on. Oh, that looks so good.
I can't always fix it.
Now push. Step on the jack, yeah.
Bro, that shit high as hell on the back.
Holy shit, bruh. Damn. Yeah, I gotta get 17 Regas. Holy shit. Look how good that looks. 16 by 8 plus 35, I believe. But 17s. I would do 16s with a bigger tire. But it does look good.
Well, hope y'all like that cinematic.
I tried my best. I tried my best, dog. I should have, if I would have filmed it on manual mode, it wouldn't have been all twitchy, and I wasn't trying to make it a twitch effect. That's what it was doing.
That shit look fire to me though.
I appreciate it. That look good, dog. 35 offset is perfect, dog. Like 22s would be stick out a little too much, depending on the tire size I run. But imagine a by 9 out more, little cambers in the rear, but yeah, that look good though. If only.
I never thought that you would leave.
Boy 50.
I have just received my package in the mail from my first ever sponsor. Well, my first ever real sponsor, Zip Ties. Zip Ties is a automotive apparel brand that I believe is the best. Like the designs, the quality of the shirts, overall just brand itself, in my opinion, is the best automotive apparel brand on the market. And I've been linked up with them for going on 4 years now. Holy crap. So in some typical fashion, let's see how we look in that motherfucker. Bro, I don't know if it's just me, but some girls really look good wearing a mask. Like, their eyes be complimenting, bro. They also sent your boy a mask. This is pretty fire. Can't lie, you know what I mean? What's happening? What's happening, shawty? What's happening? What's happening? A huge shout out to the homies over at Zip Ties for always keeping me dripped up and dripped down in some fire merch. You can grab any of these designs on the website now and use discount code Zosh for 15% off, playboy. If you did not know this, I'm probably the only creator that have y'all best interests. I just want to let y'all know that, you know what I mean? Just wanted y'all to know. Waking up every day, you should always feel like you're the best at what you do. I ain't no motivational speaker, but I've been on this new energy that I found recently. Y'all see that light? That's pretty cool. It's coming from my room. I can't wait to shoot my 25 video. I've been feeling good, man. The best I've ever felt, dog. Oof, 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 oof. Energy is everything. If you guys are feeling like you don't have it together, or like, you know, your life sucks, this and that, change that. Change the way you think, dog. I used to be such a negative person. I used to think of every negative situation that could happen, like, oh, just always spewing negative energy into the universe, and that's why negative shit would always happen to me. What's up, lizard? Once I really tapped in within myself to know that, like, I manifest, or I create the reality that I live in. You create your reality. So what that means is, yes, bad things happen to good people all the time, but it's how you go about that when it happens to you. That's how you build that motherfucking character, nigga. I ain't gonna get too much into this conversation yet. When I shoot my 25 year recap birthday video, I talk about, you know, everything, but man, I'm good. I feel great. I've been feeling like this for the past couple of months now. Like, I'm really, man, the more positive I've been, the more positive things have been happening to me. It's just, bro, dude, you really get what you put out there, dog. Like, your words have so much power, dog. When you say your life sucks, guess what? Your life will suck. You know what I mean? When you say your life is great, you're grateful, you're thankful, you're blessed to be alive, you know, praise God. Sure, whatever you do, you keep God first. Hey, you straight? Don't mess up my paint, dog. I just got this mug painted, bruh. Don't mess up the paint, please, shawty. Man, I gotta let him in, dog. Come on. I can't leave you outside. Come on, man. Come on. I can't leave you outside, bruh. Come inside. You ain't gonna come? Pause. You're not gonna forward inside the whip? Come on, man. Nigga, what you gonna do? Alright, I'ma with you. Hey, I'm about to. Woo! Big Sean has the best life, dog. You know how fine Janae Aiko is, bro? Do you know how fine Janae Aiko is, bro? That's everybody cheek to cheek. So for more, yeah. This is Detroit too. To y'all, it's been a minute since I tasted her, bro. Like, it's been a minute since I had some pleasure, bro. But, you know, I just picked her up, and, you know, I'm finna go home and go smash this, you know what I mean? I kind of want some of this roll top, so, you know what I mean? Hope I don't get demonetized for this, but it is what it is. Damn. I'm so proud of you, bro. Like, you literally sat through this entire video and hit the like button. That's crazy. Like, I'm proud of you, okay? And I love you. I love you so much, bro. Like, bro, like, all that stuff you've been doing, I've been noticing, and I'm proud of you, dog. Like, bro, I am genuinely proud of you and proud for you. Keep going. I know what you did yesterday. Yeah, I be knowing, and I be proud. I'm proud of you. Keep it up, dog. Want to know how proud I am of you? Go to zoshmfg.com, right? Pick out anything you want, and in the discount code section, put proud. You're welcome. That's how proud. That is how proud I am of you. Just go do that. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy this video, dislike the video. I don't give a f. I love each and every single one of y'all. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace. Also, Hulu is better than Netflix. All right.